Hello everybody, this is Kevin Jenner Productions, back again for another video. And in today's video, I'm going to unbox what I just got in the mail. And that would be a CNJ 060 switching engine. But you're going to ask, why did I get this? Because a while back after I went to the Strasburg Railroad, about 3 weeks ago, I stopped at the Strasburg Model Train store, and I picked this up. A CNJ Bobber Caboose. And ever since then, since it was actually, believe it or not, a Rivarossi, I needed an engine to go with it. So I looked on eBay and I found us the perfect candidate, which is a Rivarossi 060, which is in the box. So I'm going to show you what's in it. So let's unpackage this together. Alright, got the box, knife. Alright, and before we go in, there is a note. This is the invoice for who sent it to me. I will read this. Thank you for your purchase. Have a great day. Well, thank you. So, yeah, so let's get her out of the box. Try opening all the flaps. Okay, we've got something. This might be this is the tender. And the engine. And they're wrapped in paper. Put the box aside. And first we will unwrap the engine. Let me put the laptop up. Ooh, look at that. That is great. It's an 060. And it's like the standard Rivarossi. But that's not the important reason. It's an 060. But what's important? This. Jersey Central, baby. And now I have a locomotive to go with it. Let me attach to the engine real quick. Isn't that such a nice looking engine? But you've seen it already. Let's take it to the track and see what it'll do. Go. Well guys, I got it on the track. Let's see if it runs. Transformers on. Let's see if it'll hook up to the train I've got in the back. Alright, first test. And we got a little movement. Gotta give it a little... It's been quiet for a bit. Okay. And it's working. Look at that. Beautiful. So the engine is a function. We got a runner. That appears to need to be running again. And behind it is the Jersey Central Caboose. Look at that thing go. Beautiful. Absolutely incredible. Well, I'd call that a success. Let's get some GoPro shots.